Hey everybody, welcome back to another Nature's Always Right episode. My name's Steven, here to help you grow your own food naturally for your home or for profit. And today we're going to do a real quick one on sterilizing microgreen trays. How to do it completely free, completely naturally, without really hardly any work, all the way up to doing it if you're doing like commercial scale, and you need to be very sterile. What would you use? Be sure to check out my other videos all about making microgreens. I've made a complete tutorial from seeding all the way to harvest at a home scale and a market garden scale, and what it all looks like all the way through the process. Tons of tips and tricks to help you avoid problems. So be sure to check those videos out in the description below. So more of the home scale way to do it, or the way that I have been doing it because I didn't have any issues, was just simply to spray off the trays with water, get off all the dirt, and then let them sit out in the air and the sun for a few hours so that they completely dry out. The heat from the sun kills off things, and I've had no issues. Now if you're scaling things up, if you're in an indoor room where you can't have any spread of pathogens, things like that, now you're gonna have to step it up. So the next, I'd say, home scale cleaner that's excellent would be vinegar, just like 5% or more, and you can just spray that on, let it sit, rinse it off, it'll be good to go. The next level up from this would be food grade hydrogen peroxide. You should get like at least 10%. That's something I like to use for cleansing my salad spinner, my harvesting buckets, anything that's going to touch greens. I definitely clean that off with food grade hydrogen peroxide. And then the highest level of cleanliness, which for me I don't feel is really necessary unless you were in a completely enclosed area, would be to use bleach. And that is going to guarantee to kill everything. Have a spray bottle with some diluted bleach and spray that out. And that's going to be the most guaranteed way if you're really having issue with pathogens or fungi or mold, things like that. If anybody has any suggestions or other really great ways to cleaning microgreen trays, please let me know down in the comments. I'm always looking for better ways of doing things.